this module, we will quickly answer the question, what is an order lead time in the world of material requirements planning? Order lead time is a planning factor that many ERP and MRP systems use to plan and calculate the amount of time required to produce a product. While the order lead time is generally not the total lead time, it does take up a portion of it. Formally defined, order lead time is the time taken from placing an order with a supplier to the time the order is received. The order lead time includes order processing, transportation, and receiving time. And that's it, order lead time. We'll see you in the next module.